Let's highlight some essential tools for your digital marketing toolkit this year. Hi, I'm Georgia, a junior digital marketing executive here at Raw, and today I'll take you through the tools that we think you need in your toolkit this year. Starting off strong with Google Analytics, a vital tool that can assist in several marketing decisions and tasks. The go-to tool for data insights, presenting your team with easy to follow and understandable data insights. Now, Google Analytics can analyze a whole load, including website visitor behavior, user demographics, session statistics, and device information. Next up is Asana. Asana is a web and mobile app that allows teams to stay connected through workflows, keeping projects organized and deadlines on track. Schedule key dates and delegate tasks so that no details are left behind. Third up is Google Ads. Now, create ad campaigns for Google, YouTube mobile apps, and even remarket ads. It works on a bidding strategy, and when you start to create a campaign, you can add landing pages, create some ads, offer services, product listings, video content, and more. Now, once you've got your Google Ads account up and running, you can begin creating and implementing your ads. Now, a little fun fact, PPC generates twice the number of visitors in comparison to SEO. Up next is Canva. Now, if you haven't heard of Canva, what rock have you been living under? Canva is a design tool where you can create anything from presentations, banners, videos, docs, and more. Now, with templates for almost every social media size and the ability to create from scratch, whatever the purpose, Canva's got you covered. Here at Raw, we use Canva daily to create assets and content. Fifth is Raw's DIY SEO platform. Now, the DIY SEO platform does everything and would be a practical addition to your digital marketing toolkit. You can complete vital SEO actions, use the AI-assisted content wizard to help boost your content strategy, and track contents and keywords with the keyword sitemap. With the digital marketing platform, you can track the keyword position rankings on search engines, analyze your traffic, and handle your Google My Business profile, and so much more. Now, the platform is designed for small business owners and their teams, and it includes an academy with learning materials for users to learn and grow on their SEO journey. Sixth, and last but not least, is Google My Business, an essential for small businesses that operate locally. Google My Business profiles are free to create and just need a valid verification method. It's connected to Google Maps and you can add your business information. It's important to include your business NAP, which is your name, address, and phone number, but you can also add a website, posts, photos, and videos, opening hours, and again, so much more. This means that whenever someone searches for your particular company, all of your business's necessary details will pop up for the user. It can significantly contribute to SEO through your click-through rate and allows those searching for your services in a local nearby to see your business first. So those were our 6 tools that you need to add to your digital marketing toolkit this year. Check out the link in the description to start your 7-day free trial of Raw's DIY SEO platform and start optimizing your business. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.